Learn the basics of how to create and customize templates in WebWriter. Templates are located here, but be sure to check out the video on the library too. The library plays an important role since it's the place you go to add or modify comments, disclaimers, description details, all which feed into your template. The template is where you decide what of the library items you want in each template and where you set up the structure or the layout of the template. To add a template, click here, then give it a name. If you want to copy an existing template, just click here. Since I only have one option, I'll choose Residential Default, and then I'll click Add. Alright, so if you click on these three dots, you'll get some other options. Set as default basically means when you start a new inspection, it will choose that template automatically unless you choose otherwise. Okay, I'll click into the condo template to show you what you can do to customize it. First, under the property overview, click on descriptions. All your descriptions from your library show on the right-hand side. Just click hide to remove ones you don't want to see. Always note you can unhide them as well down at the bottom. Next, you can do the same with disclaimers. You can choose to hide ones you don't want to see in your list. You can also toggle on any disclaimers you want to automatically appear in the report by default. Just remember, the library is where you can add more disclaimers and more descriptions. Next, I'll show you how to reorder systems. Just click right here and then click and drag the different systems where you want them to appear. When you're finished, just click Done at the bottom. Okay, so here's how you modify inspection items. In my example, I'll just click on HVAC. So I can select the boxes to the left of every item, and I can set a status in the template. So at the bottom, I'll click Status. My recommendation is to set all your items in the template as not applicable. That way, if you don't fill out or have to inspect one of these items, it's automatically not going to show up in the report. You can also edit and delete and remove locations in this area as well. Here's how to add an item. Just click Add Item. From the drop-down, if there's an item that matches or closely relates to what you're adding, you'll want to select it because it will also pull in the different descriptions and comments and disclaimers as well. If you don't have a match, you can always choose the other option for that item. Give it a name, and then you'll click Add. I'll also go down here and just set the status individually. Here you can access your system-wide disclaimers. You'll also see three icons here. If you click on the one with the eye, it will open up all the item descriptions. Here, this one opens up all the different comments. And this opens up all the item disclaimers. The three dots gives you the choice to edit the name of the item or delete. Just know if you delete any of these items, they're really easy to add back when you're in a report if you need them. All right, so to conclude, if you are using the Inspect by Locations feature, you can click here on Locations, and it has a lot of the same exact functionality as we just covered, where you can reorder, add, and remove, and modify. When you're ready to start a report by syncing an appointment to WebWriter, you choose your template right here. If you're starting a report directly from WebWriter or the app, you choose your template here. And there you go.